Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So I wanted to do a really quick intro because I didn't film an intro yesterday when I went to Selfridges, but as you can tell from the title, the video is going to be a shop with me at Celine because I did purchase a bag that's been on my wish list for such a long time, and I was just super happy to purchase it. I tried on literally pretty much every single bag, or what it felt like, every single bag in the store. But I wanted to do a quick intro because I also wanted to let you know that if you are based in London or live in London or you're shopping at Selfridges London, definitely contact Tiffany at Celine because she didn't ask me to do this, by the way. She was just amazing. She's probably the best SA that I've ever had. She was so attentive and let me try on pretty much everything. She even invited me to an event they have going on in the next couple of weeks, so highly recommend Tiffany, who was fantastic. And I had the most delightful experience. So without further ado, let's shop at Celine. Hey everyone, so I went to the Celine store in Selfridges London and I tried on quite a few bags that I was interested in, so I thought I would turn it into a vlog. I did end up purchasing the small Boston bag in the Triomphe canvas and the calfskin tan leather, which I absolutely loved. I've had my eye on it for a while, so I was super excited to finally purchase it, especially as there are suspected price increases. So this is me trying on the bag. I did have to adjust the straps because they were a little bit too short on me. I am about 5'6", maybe 5'5" approximately, so I'm semi-tall, but that's fine because it's adjustable, which is fantastic. And of course you can attach and detach the strap, which gives the bag a lot of versatility. I also decided to try on the small Boston in calfskin leather. This one retails for $19.50 and the leather was super smooth and soft. I did ask her about the bag being prone to scratches and she just said that they haven't had any issues with that in the past. I definitely preferred the tan color over the black, as it definitely goes with my aesthetic and just the way that I dress. I also liked the contrast between the tan and the gold detailing, so if I didn't get the Triomphe canvas, I'd probably get the tan. And this is just me trying it on. Obviously I'm not wearing the best outfit for this bag because I'm pretty much wearing all black, but here she is kind of just explaining the Triomphe logo. She was super informative and gave me a lot of factual information that I didn't even know about Celine. And then this is me trying on the black version. Again, out of the three, this is definitely not my favorite, but still not a bad bag. I just definitely prefer the tan color. So once I tried on all of the small Boston bags, I went over to the medium Ava bag. I first tried on the medium Ava Triomphe bag in the Triomphe canvas and the calfskin leather, or the calfskin trimmings I should say. So this retails for $1,700 and it has the beautiful gold finishing. Obviously it's a shoulder bag, and you can also carry it in the crook of your arm. So it has an adjustable strap, but for me, even on the largest setting, it was a little bit too snug for me. I don't know if it's because I was wearing like a jean jacket, but for me that just solidified the reason why I probably shouldn't purchase this bag, because it was just a little bit too snug and then I'll just end up holding it in the crook of my arm when I'd rather wear it as a shoulder bag. And then this is the Triomphe canvas next to the smooth calfskin in the tan color. Again, I definitely prefer the tan. It's such a beautiful color. I also love how soft the leather is. This one is, I believe, £100 more and it retails for $1,850, and I just think it looks so classy. This is of course a full leather bag, so the flap is also in leather with the Triomphe magnetic closure. There's just one main compartment and then one inner flap pocket, but surprisingly it actually fit quite a lot of items in it. She was actually showing me what could fit in, and as long as it fits my phone, my keys, my card holder, lip gloss and some hand sanitizer, I'm good to go.
Card holder as well. Before we just only come with the canvas, but now we do have the one big. I just told you before, because many of the clients like the logo, and so that's why we input the logo to the card holder.
Okay, got
to
it.
make it more elegant or more grand. Yeah.
I love
and
it.
And also for this size, right, you can see it's a little bit bigger because for you to put more
Cards.
Yeah.
Oh, so this only has, okay,
Yeah.
3 slots.
1, 2, maybe here you can put 3, maybe 5 cards. But here is already 1, 2, 3, and then 6, and then maybe in the middle we can put 3 and maybe 9 total. Yeah.
Oh,
So fit your wallet as well.
oh,
Yeah.
okay, got it.
Yeah. So it's very spacious. I think the cosmetics, key, AirPods.
It can fit everything.
Yeah. It looks small, but it's roomy.
Oh, this is nice.
Yes, this is our classic compact wallet.
How much do these retail
This
for?
is a $490.
$4.90.
Yeah. So there is a 2 place for you to put a card, and also here you can put the coins. Or sometimes you go travel, you can also place your jewelry inside.
Got it.
Yeah, and also here is for the notes. Yeah, because it's open end, because it's more easy for you to bring out the pad.
Yeah.
The notes.
Oh, that's really nice. And you've got other colours here.
It is our classic wallet, so we do have so many colors.
That's really nice. So after she finished showing me the wallet, this mini bag caught my eye, and this is the mini chain clawed in shiny calf skin. It's absolutely tiny. There's one main compartment and one inner flat pocket, so it's very small, literally can only carry your essentials. This is me trying on the bag. I realized when I tried it on, I did actually like it. I don't think I would purchase it just because it retails for $1,150, and I think for the size of the bag, it's a little bit on the pricey side. It does come with a gold chain and can be worn crossbody or as a shoulder bag. I definitely prefer the black color. If I was to purchase this, I would definitely go for the black. I really love the gold chain, and I really love the Triomphe metallic snap button closure, which I think just added a really classy touch. And this is her just showing me what fits. So as you can see, this card holder couldn't fit because it was just way too tall. But the Triomphe canvas Celine card holder, which only has I believe 3 slots, that could just about fit. But if you added that in, you could only maybe fit a lip gloss and maybe some mints, so it's not very practical and doesn't fit a ton of items inside. And then a bag that really caught my eye was the teen Triomphe bag. So this is the Triomphe canvas in the calfskin white leather, and I love how versatile it is. So here she is just showing me the different ways that you can wear the bag. So it can be worn crossbody or as a shoulder bag, or it can also be worn at the crook of the arm. So I really love that you can basically style this up and also style it down. There's 3 inner compartments. There's one inner zipped pocket and one inner flat pocket, and also the strap is adjustable, which is always a plus for me. So while the trimmings is in calfskin leather, the lining of the bag is in lambskin, which is a slightly more delicate leather. It also has a Triomphe metallic closure. I actually thought it was like a button, and then she was showing me that it was actually like a clasp, which I thought was quite interesting as well. And this bag comes in so many different finishes. So while I only tried on the canvas, they also had velvet with leopard, they had a striped textile, they had the natural calf skin, they had a raffia effect textile bag, they also had a version in a wicker and natural calf skin, and then of course the different finishes have different price points. So the Triomphe canvas retails for $2,950, but then again, depending on the finish, it will go up. So I think the most expensive version is the Triomphe in lizard, and that retails for $6,200. So it's quite a big range depending on the finish of bag that you want, but the style of the bag would be exactly the same. And although I only tried the canvas, I think personally I preferred the shiny calfskin in black, and that retails for £2,850. I just think that one just looked a lot more classy, and you can dress it up and dress it down. And this is just showing kind of all the bags that I was trying on. As you can see, I tried on so many different bags, and she was so helpful and it was allowing me to basically try on as many as I wanted. Oh, this is like a different type of, like this shade is like more
it's totally different. Yeah, this one is just like our infants, because before this is our classic, the shoulder bag. Many clients just come here looking for the shoulder bag, but for all the shoulder bag, we just come with the short strap or soft chain. And this one will be another version because it's quite similar shape, but also we do have the soft chain and also with the long strap. Because they can't like that shape very much, and then they want to have a crossbody, but we don't have it. So we do have this product.
Got it. That makes sense.
Yeah. Do you want to try this on?
Yeah, that would be great, yeah. So as you can tell from our little conversation that you've just heard, she let me try on pretty much every single bag that I wanted to. So this is the multi-pochette in the Triomphe canvas and the calf skin leather. This retails for $1,550, and I love that it comes with the gold chain but also the calf skin leather strap as well. Really cool. I really like that. Which one do you think suits me better, this one or the other one?
In fact, I would prefer that one.
Yeah, so do I really like that one.
Because that one is really super pretty and also very stylish.
Yeah, very stylish,
I think
yeah.
This one
silver as well.
Try the silver as well.
Yeah.
So that's why the silver.
Yeah, it looks so
more cool.
It looks so cool. Yeah, I like these. These are really nice. So that is the end of this video. I had such a positive experience at this particular Celine store, so I'd highly recommend. I will be posting the unboxing of these small Boston bags, so definitely stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, have a great day and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.